Dongguan Jinghe Electronic Technology Company Limited is a factory integrating production and trade. With 8 years' experience in specializing in indoor and outdoor thermometers, refrigerator thermometers, wireless thermometers, meat thermometers, and other kinds of electronic products. Our products are exported to European and American markets, East and Southeast Asia, and the Middle East, and are well received by our customers. We are committed to research and development and innovative products. Pay close attention to product quality. Optimize the operation process so that customers receive better quality products in a shorter delivery time is our goal. We have a professional technical team and production line, specializing in the production, sales, and research and development of all kinds of thermometers. As we are constantly developing new products and innovating in product structure and performance, we have obtained many professional certifications. We are capable of developing products for you and support all kinds of OEM customization. In order to guarantee the quality of our products, we have introduced advanced testing and production equipment. With the development of new products, the old products are being upgraded to meet the market demand. We are committed to provide strict quality inspection and provide satisfactory service to our customers. We also welcome you to visit our factory. We will continuously strive to improve our manufacturing capabilities and product quality, and are committed to providing perfect service to our customers around the world.